My fellow dreamers, today I want to take a moment to celebrate a group of individuals who often find their strength in silence, who thrive in the calm of solitude, and who contribute to the world in ways that sometimes go unnoticed. Our treasured introverts. In a world that often celebrates the extroverted, the outgoing, and the outspoken, it's time we recognize and appreciate the unique qualities that introverts bring to the table. Introversion is not a limitation. It's a superpower, a reservoir of depth, creativity, and wisdom waiting to be tapped. Introverts, you are treasured because you understand the power of introspection. In a society that often rushes from one thing to the next, you bring the invaluable gift of reflection. It is within the quiet chambers of your minds that some of the most profound ideas take root and blossom. Think of the great Albert Einstein, a renowned introvert who once said, "The monotony and solitude of a quiet life stimulate the creative mind." His theory of relativity, among other groundbreaking contributions, emerged from the depths of his contemplative nature. It's a testament to the extraordinary power of introverted thinking. Introverts, you are treasured because you excel in the art of listening. In a world that sometimes forgets the beauty of silence, you are the quiet observers, the thoughtful listeners who absorb the nuances of conversations. Your ability to listen deeply fosters meaningful connections and cultivates understanding. Consider the beloved J.K. Rowling, an introvert who transformed her love for storytelling into the magical world of Harry Potter. Through her quiet observations and introspective nature, she created a literary universe that resonates with millions, teaching us the importance of empathy and the magic that lies within our own stories. Introverts, you are treasured because of your empathy. Your ability to feel deeply and understand the emotions of others is a gift to humanity. Susan Cain, in her book Quiet, The Power of Introverts in a World That Can't Stop Talking, emphasizes the strength of introverted empathy. It's this empathy that allows you to connect with others on a profound level and make a lasting impact. Think of the iconic Rosa Parks, an introvert whose quiet strength sparked the Montgomery bus boycott and became a catalyst for the civil rights movement. Her introverted courage, expressed through a simple act of refusing to give up her seat, changed the course of history and inspired generations to come. Introverts, you are treasured because your creativity knows no bounds. From the artist to the writer, the musician to the scientist, introverts have left an indelible mark on the world's cultural tapestry. It's in the solitude of your thoughts that masterpieces are born, innovations are conceived, and the extraordinary is brought to life. Consider the brilliant Steven Spielberg, an introverted filmmaker who has given us some of the most iconic movies in cinematic history. From E.T. to Schindler's List, his introverted creativity has touched the hearts and minds of audiences worldwide, proving that introversion and artistic brilliance often go hand in hand. Let us embrace and celebrate our introverted brothers and sisters. Your quiet strength, introspective minds, and unique perspectives contribute to the richness of our shared human experience. The world needs your thoughtful contributions, your creativity, and your empathetic hearts. To all the introverts listening, remember that you are not alone. Your journey is a valuable part of the collective narrative of humanity. Cherish your introverted nature for it is a beacon of inspiration and a source of strength. As we celebrate diversity, let us ensure that the quiet voices are heard, the introspective minds are valued, and the introverts are treasured for the extraordinary individuals that they are. Now that you know how valuable you are, continue your journey by watching this. Subscribe, like, and comment.